Hello everyone, this is Ivy from NSE LED. Nice to see you again. As the emerging market of taxi-top LED display comes out, a number of countries would rather to choose taxi-top LED display for outdoor advertising than traditional digital signage. Besides, taxi-top LED display is more intelligent and with a lot of advantages like waterproof, dust-proof, high brightness, and high resolution. In recent years, the marketing of taxi-top LED display increasingly growing in South America, Europe, Asia Pacific, America, Canada, Spain, and exact. However, some of our customers would worry about when facing strong sunlight, whether the image of the taxi-top LED display can be shown vividly. Seeing is believing. Let's test the brightness of taxi-top LED display. Now we are going to test the brightness of the P3.33 taxi-top LED display. As we can see, the brightness of P3.33 taxi-top LED display is 5,333 nits. Here, the brightness of P2.5 taxi-top LED display is 6,093 nits. Through this test, we know the brightness of our P2.5 taxi-top LED display is 6,093 nits, and the brightness of P3.33 taxi-top LED display is 5,333 nits. The high brightness of taxi-top LED display makes the pictures and videos can be shown clearly even under the direct sun. So please no need to worry about the brightness of our taxi-top LED display. Thanks for watching today's video and thanks for your support. 2020 is a meaningful year for us. The subscriber of our YouTube channel successfully increased to 2,000. And in 2021, we will keep uploading more and more videos about our product. Please subscribe us if you want to know more information about our product. See you next time. Bye bye.